mainit talaga ang usapan kasi legal talk siya mga.
Kasi init na mga pandesal na abs ni Gustav dito. Mga pandesal na abs.
Walang
At singinit ng mga kape ninyo na hinahawak ko. Kasama po natin ngayon ang isa pang guest. He has been teaching the collegiate sciences since 1999, Doctor of Philosophy and Education, and has waved goodbye to his bachelor last December 2010, Dr. Gerard Abergos. Magandang.
Good evening.
Welcome back, ha?
Thank you.
Oo.
Tama na kami niyan eh.
Okay. Masaya ka ba, Doc? Wala na. Goodbye na yung... Ito na tayo bigla eh.
Yung siguro.
Oh, ito na eh, no?
Actually, ganun talaga pala yun.
Oo, talagang precious. Yung sa ring, ang suot mo.
Paano?
Parang kasi ako, hindi talaga ako, I don't know if it's the same with you,
It's a wedding ring.
Hindi ako ever since sanay magsuot ng kahit ano. And then I thought to myself, sabi ko, nung yung mga ganyan, mga jewelry, rin ako talaga ever since eh. Pero nung, sabi ko, sabi sa akin ng wife ko, Doc, you have to wear that all the time. Sige. Pero lo and behold, nung I cannot live without it. I cannot live without it.
Get used to it. Parang yung Vicks ko, hindi ako pwede makaalis ng bahay, wala akong Vicks.
Ano ba yung fix talaga?
Kailangan mo na haplos ng pagmamahal. Kasabay na natin haplos ng pagmamahal yung Vicks mo.
Okay, speaking of precious, ito daw mga bachelors, eligible bachelors, are very, very precious. Totoo ba ito, Doc? Doctor like, Doctor talaga of philosophy. Talaga bang assigned lang to a privileged field?
Kasi pinag-uusapan natin dyan, if being an eligible bachelor is ascribed or achieved.
Yes.
Ascribed means yung pinangalakan ng ganon, let's say you're
Wow.
born with a silver spoon.
Oo nga eh.
And yung achieved kung talagang pinaghirapan mo eh. But you know, both of them, yung parang yung dalawang school of thought saying is actually right. However, dapat si eligible bachelor, dapat sabihin niya talaga sa sarili niya yung acceptance. I am an eligible bachelor.
Which I think he
Yes.
accepted it.
I guess, because he applied.
Hindi yung pagmamayabang kasi you know that people look up to you, you know that you are a public figure already, and whatever na kilos mo, talagang kitang-kita ng lahat. So, you have to learn to accept kung hindi mo man ina-accept noong una na you are an eligible bachelor.
Ba't naman hindi tatanggapin? Ibigay mo, it's just like a trophy, no?
May ganun kasi na yung minsan false humility, minsan talagang really humility na hindi naman ako.
Do you do that? Do you do that? Sabi ka nito.
Yeah.
False humility, hindi naman po yung false humility. Parang you just have to be, to stay grounded.
Yes, pero
Parang,
hindi
hindi mo
sinasabi.
itataas yung sarili mo na parang, I'm here and you're down there.
Pero halimbawa, ito lang, role playing, wag sinabi, uy, congratulations ha, eligible bachelor ka pa, galing mo, ganyan. How do you answer that?
Parang, if I can, I know you can also be one.
Ako may isa pang role playing. I'm sure, syempre, you cannot please everybody, hindi ba? So, pag sinabi, uy, eligible bachelor daw to si Christoph, tapos may nagsabi, hindi naman!
Intrigera.
Oo, diba? Ganon siya. Hindi naman gwapo or something like that. Do you get that as well? Or have you heard of that? Or and if ever it's your first time, how would you react?
Parang mixed reactions naman eh.
Yeah, because you can't please
You
everybody.
can please everyone, and it's just okay kasi kanya-kanyang views na naman yan. Sa akin naman, alam ko I'm doing what I need to do as a bachelor, as a single man.
Yes.
I mean, kung yung iba may ibang ginagawa, sa kanila na rin yun. If they can accept themselves as really more eligible than I am, then
that's good.
That's good. Very good. I like that.
And then that's where friends come in.
akala ko yun.
Wala dyan bro.
That's where friends come in. I like that.
I like that. To the rescue.
Well, for that particular time, I was a bachelor. Anyway, ano ba ang mga values and traits, supposedly, ng eligible bachelor?
May kasi dyan, may adjective kasi dyan, which is eligible.
Yes.
Ano yung eligible? A bachelor is, let's be academic on this. A bachelor kasi is someone who is unmarried, may have had kids before, okay lang, doesn't have an intimate relationship now, because of just cause, may dahilan kung bakit. Pero talaga number one ng pagiging eligible bachelor would be yung success. That person should be successful.
So it's commensurate to money,
Yes,
to
that's it.
finances.
Finances,
Stability.
yung lagay mo sa lipunan, yung status sa lipunan, kasama yung sa pagiging eligible. Ang punto dito is, talagang tinitignan ng lipunan kung nasaan ka.
Doc, speaking of that, yung tinitignan na lipunan, kasi dati, when you say eligible bachelor, eto lang yung predestined. Ibig sabihin nun, you come from a family, you come from a family with a pedigree. Ibig sabihin, anak mayaman.
Yeah,
Hindi, pero hindi yung mga pag, ha? Hindi.
Ano yung pag?
Yung
The
pag.
door.
Oh, yung mga hindi. Yung talagang, yung pamilya de calidad, di ba? Pero ngayon may mga lumalabas na katulad din ng Coco Martin, di ba?
Sure.
Basta yung iba't ibang mga, yes, sila Teacher Campo, and they don't really come from a family with a pedigree, pero they're considered eligible bachelors.
Yes.
So, ibig mo sabihin ngayon, natatanggal na tong description or connotation na kailangan galing ka sa isang mayamang pamilya. Basta na-earn mo yung success mo, if you're a self-made man, then you can be an eligible
Very
bachelor.
well said. That's really true. Kasi hindi naman sinasabi natin natatanggal na sila nawawala. Actually, nadadagdagan tayo ng bagong segment na eligible bachelor. Yung una, yun yung sinasabi natin ascribed, which is
Predestined ka na.
yun na eh, di ba? That's me. Pero, yung nga sasabi ko kanina, you have to accept that. I am an eligible bachelor. I have to be like this. Dapat rin proper ako lagi.
Kanina pa kinukulit ni Jojo. May tatang.
Oh my God.
Hindi, sinasagot na nga niya eh.
Okay.
Exacto. And another thing is that yung kasi, tignan natin yung lipunan kung nasaan tayo. We are in a third world country. Kung yung masasabing mahirap tayo o gano'n, no? The point here is, lahat ng tao in our country talaga nag-strive to be someone, strive to be good. And kung ikaw yung someone from rags to riches or you really work hard to be someone who is good and someone who is worthy for a woman, to have a family, yung nakikita ng tao yun na eligible bachelor ka. Ang punto dito, ano yung success rate mo? Pwedeng one-time successful ka lang, after that,
So what are the things that can probably take you off that particular
hey,
That's what
Yeah.
I wanted to find out. Yun ang gusto kong malaman. Kasi, o ikaw muna. Ano sabihin mo dapat gawin para hindi ka na eligible bachelor?
Wala dapat
What are fresh for?
Wala dapat flashing ring.
Oh, yeah, but
Give
that's
it,
not.
give it.
Let's say eligible, you were, supposedly, meron nagsabi sa'yo na eligible bachelor ka. But, ano ang pwedeng magtanggal itong title na to sa'yo?
Ikaw muna.
Okay na to.
Let's say from...
Feeling ko po, ano yan, operative term talaga yung term na eligible. So once you become parang...
Of course, if you're married, hindi ka na eligible.
Yeah,
But
yeah.
other than that,
Yeah, of course, other than that, yung eligible, actually, even by being bachelor, you can be eligible anything eh. I think the point is, kung naglilibag ko doon sa description na yun, as long as you don't, hindi ka mag-slack off, hindi ka
What do you mean slack of example ng slack?
na parang, kumbaga, magkalat ka na lang bigla, parang nawala ka bigla doon sa...
magkalat. Okay.
Nawala ka sa tracks mo, bigla ka na lang.
It's actually what...
Still a bachelor but no more eligible.
Yes, what he's trying to say is consistency. You have to be like that always.
Consistency in where?
Consistency in sa values mo,
Values.
yung sa mga kilos mo. Yun nga, yung una-una, you have to know, you have to accept that you are someone
Okay.
already.
Does
Na
being a
walang yakap.
gentleman really is a must for being an eligible bachelor?
Ano nangyari kasi pag...
A gentleman, ha?
Ang pagiging gentleman is innate yun eh.
Ano yun, no?
Na
No, but
natutunan
innate, yes, but it should definitely, because there are people that are not gentlemen,
Yes.
so it should be present, no, for it
Yes.
to be called eligible bachelor.
You know, with all this talk, ang nakikita ko dito, Doc, and kailangan meron kang certain level talaga of finances. Parang it all boils down to what you can offer in terms of money, I think, and status. Kasi ganun eh, regardless whether ikaw ay gwapo o hindi, basta merong potentially you will be a good provider.
And by the way, who makes the
Diba?
criteria?
What's the criteria? Oo, I have a clue.
Ang criteria kasi natin ng eligible bachelor is kung ano yung prevailing na kulturan. Kasi right now, dating eligible bachelor is someone na yung panahon ng mga...
Mayaman, wealthy.
Yeah, mga knights, and yung mga malalakas,
Right,
yung eligible bachelor, kahit
So,
hindi
evolving
magandang ugali.
din.
Yes, evolving.
The reason why I said that, kasi dati nung tatrabaho ko sa, hindi ko naman mention isang opisina, hindi naman kaganong kagandahan lalaki, di ba? Pero yung mga kaopisina ko, pumapasok, medyo may edad na, pero single pa siya, and he was the president of the company. Pagpasok, oh my God, sister, andyan na, sus, nagkapangin naman itong tao na yan.
Ay, alam ko yan.
Hindi naman din, hinila lang ang Panginoon Diyos.
Meron akong
Pero
tanong
ibig
sa'yo.
sabihin, gano'n, di ba?
It makes you wonder tuloy, bakit?
Oo, di ba?
Ang meron sa kanya.
Ang meron siya, ang ganda ng Mercedes-Benz niya, kanya yung building,
Okay,
tsaka napasweldo.
One question na lang, very short. Ano, halimbawa, may pressure ba, meron ba kayong insecurity? Because halimbawa, hindi ka gwapo, pero mayaman ka, may social status ka, and you're a bachelor, tapos ang dami nito flax sa inyo, hindi niyo ba natatanong sarili niyo, halimbawa, sa'yo, ano ba gusto sa akin ito? Is it because I'm just an eligible bachelor, kahit pangit ako? Or, I mean, wala bang ganun?
I think isang ano yun isang critical na trait yun na dapat meron yung sa eligible bachelor. That